Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on Redmi mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll down and here you can see this is the lock screen. So you just move on this lock screen. So after you have been moved on lock screen, the first option, just click on this first option sleep. Then here you can see this is the 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes. Okay, there is just some seconds and some are the minutes. So what you need to do is that the last option is the never. Okay, so if you want to set 2 minutes, just click on 2 minutes and this time will be set successfully on your screen timer. You just need to click on that time, okay, where you are comfortable, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.